in terms of one-by drivetrain, this was the best drivetrain ever. Our modern 12-speed mechanical and electronical shifting is not better than this one. Sram XX1 X01 GX 1x11. This cassette isn't huge, shifting is really crisp, it's not as stiff as on those modern 12-speed. This drivetrain will not bend your derailleur simply by changing your gears under load, but yeah, it's got its mileage, so we need to replace the derailleur pulleys, and they can be really expensive. So let me help you with that. And so here we have 4 different options. I'm gonna try to save your money in 2 ways so that you don't have to buy those original, the most expensive XX1X Sync pulleys, because they cost around $50. It's a lot for 2 pulleys. Yeah, you have ceramic bearings here, you have the grease in addition to that. That's one way where you can spend a lot of money, and second way is trying to buy different pulleys which are not as expensive as the original, hoping they would work. Well, they won't. There is an option. Here is my original XX1 pulley. Awesome, very expensive. Here is the pulley from Sunrays. One pulley cost about $8. Here is the set of pulleys from SRAM, which cost $11 for the set. These are bushings. Here we have a seal cartridge bearing, so both are okay for me because this is so much cheaper than the original one. But neither this one nor these two will work for you, and the reasons are 2. The original pulley set for XX1 X01 GX derailleurs will have 4 such cups. No wonder. Each pulley has 2. This is the Sunrays one. But one of those cups will be different. This hole has a little larger diameter than those 3, and so it goes for the upper pulley on the inner side. None of the cups for Sunrays or other non-original pulley set will have this. So that's number 1. Don't try to use the method I was testing here, which means, okay, I will buy the not original Sunrays pulley, and I will use, let's not use these, and I will use the cups from my old and worn SRAM pulley, and yes, those cups will fit just fine, but the problem is that this pulley, which is also 12-teeth pulley but designed for Sunrays and Shimano derailleurs, is thinner. This one is 7.88 millimeters wide. This one is 7.6, which means that our pulley will be off the line. I wonder if I was using 2 pulleys, 2 same width pulleys, upper and lower, would work better, but using this one for the lower and this one for the upper will not work. So I'm not trying to use new non-original pulley with old cup. You see, this is the inner plate of our derailleur cage, and it's got this lip right here, and this lip, what it makes other derailleur pulleys not compatible because you need this one cup with larger hole. So I'm going to install it right now. And so the lower pulley has to have this L letter on the outer side. And here we go with 2 same cups. And now the upper pulley, so I don't want to see the L letter. I want to see the U letter. U for upper. And here come 2 different cups. The smaller hole goes on the outer side, and the larger one, you see, it fits to that lip. In addition to that, we know that Sunrays is too thin. What about the original SRAM pulleys for Apex and NX? no. These caps will not work with these pulleys, which the pulley is the same, but they work on the bushings. This is not compatible. So, once we know how not to try to save the money, we have nice option here. And so, my friends, if you don't want to spend over 50 bucks for those original SRAM ceramic bearings pulleys, you can save 50% by spending about the 26 or 7 bucks for these, which are also original X01DH GX, and they will work with XX1 as well. These are the same pulleys. The difference lies in the bearings. They don't have bushings like those for the NX, which are not compatible with XX1. They have cartridge sealed bearings. So still, RS bearings, really nice ones. Do I feel that those ceramic bearings are smoother? Yes, I can feel that this pulley is working with less friction, less resistance. How much it would be? 1 watt, 2 watts on 2 pulleys, maybe 3 watts. Don't expect any different position if you are racing XC or marathon. I'm racing as an amateur and my choice is this. So even though I have XX1 derailleur, I'm gonna spend this amount of money for X01DH GX derailleurs pulley set. So if this was helpful, let me know, and the link to those in the description.